Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to delete messages or simply text in Zangi. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, well, do it right now. The process is quite easy. We have also created a tutorial regarding that as well, so worry not. Now let's simply look at how to delete text. Right here, as you can see, this right here is an interface of the group that I had created for my friends. Now let's say I want to delete this text right here. I'm simply gonna click and hold on it. Well, once you do that, it's gonna provide you with a few options. You can simply react from right here, else if you look at the top, it's gonna give you a few options. But right now, all you guys need to do is focus on this trash can icon right here. Click on it right now, and do note that it's gonna provide you something like this. You can delete the message only for yourself, else if you want to delete it for everyone, simply click on this checkbox right here and just click on delete. And guys, that is it. That's how we delete a text in Zangi. As you guys can see, the process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.